This is your mini Physiosonic 1 MHz ultrasound therapy machine. It uses sound waves to ease deep muscle and joint pain a few centimeters below the skin. In the box you will find the main unit, the 1 MHz probe, an AC power cable, a universal adapter, a tube of ultrasound gel, the user manual, and a carry bag. This machine uses simple dials and a switch. The probe plugs into the port on the front. The switch sets the mode, continuous mode for steady warmth or pulsed mode for less heat. In pulsed mode, one dial sets how gentle the pulses are. The other dial turns the intensity up and the red screen shows it. Connect the probe to the front port before you switch on. Turn the intensity dial all the way down to 0. Plug into an outlet and switch on. The red light shows it has power. Clean the skin and apply a generous layer of ultrasound gel. Set the mode and the pulse dial if you are using pulsed mode, as your professional prescribes. Press the probe flat on the skin. Turn the intensity up slowly from 0. Keep the probe moving in slow circles and never hold still. Stop if there is any pain or heat. When you finish, turn the intensity back to 0, then switch off. Wipe the gel from the skin and clean the probe. A few safety rules. Always use gel and never run the probe on dry skin or in the air. Never leave the person alone during treatment. Do not use it during pregnancy, over a pacemaker or cancer, or over the eyes, the spine, an open wound, a healing fracture, or a child's growth plate. Always use it under professional guidance. Buy this at snapshophub.com.